How to make anyone fall in love with you. Few things in life are as simple as we would like them to be. Love, unfortunately, is not one of those things. The good news, however, is that there are certain techniques you can use to make anyone fall in love with you. The bad news is that, like anything worth having, it takes work. If you are willing to put in the effort, though, the rewards are more than worth it. Imagine being able to make anyone you want fall in love with you. You could have the relationship you've always dreamed of, with the person you've always wanted. So, how do you do it? How do you make anyone fall in love with you? There are three main ingredients: self-love, understanding the psychology of love, and mastering the art of seduction. 1. To make anyone fall in love with you, start by becoming their friend. If you want to make anyone fall in love with you, start by becoming their friend. It's important to get to know them and learn about their interests. Become someone they can rely on and trust. Show them that you care about them and their happiness. Be there for them when they need you. Be supportive and understanding. Be yourself and let them see the wonderful person you are. If you do all of these things, then they will be more likely to fall in love with you. 2. Get to know them and learn about their interests, likes, and dislikes. The most important step in making someone fall in love with you is to get to know them and learn about their interests, likes, and dislikes. This step is important because it will help you to understand them better and to find common interests that you can share. It is also important to be genuine in your interest in them and to make sure that you are not just trying to learn about their interests so that you can use them to your advantage. Be sincere in your desire to get to know them and they will be more likely to reciprocate your feelings. 3. Show them genuine interest and concern, and be supportive and understanding. If you want to make someone fall in love with you, it's important to show them genuine interest and concern. Be supportive and understanding, and try to see things from their perspective. Try to make them feel comfortable and accepted, and let them know that you're always there for them. 4. Be playful and fun to be around. Make them laugh and enjoy your company. When it comes to love, making someone laugh is often said to be one of the best ways to their heart. After all, laughter is said to be the language of love. Being playful and fun to be around can help create a light and enjoyable atmosphere between you and the object of your affections, and may just lead to love. One reason why being playful and fun can help create an atmosphere for love is because it can help break the ice and ease tension. If you can make the person you like laugh, it can help them feel more comfortable around you and lower their guard. When people are relaxed and enjoying themselves, they are more likely to be open to love. Another reason why being playful may lead to love is that it can show the person you like that you are someone who is easy to get along with and fun to be around. If they have a good time in your company, they may start to see you as someone they could have a future with. So if you want to make someone fall in love with you, try being playful and fun to be around. Make them laugh and enjoy your company. Who knows, it may just lead to love. 5. Be yourself, and don't try to be someone you're not. Don't try to be someone you're not. It's important to be yourself when you're trying to make someone fall in love with you. If you're not being yourself, the other person is going to be able to see that and it's going to turn them off. It's important to be confident and comfortable in your own skin. The more comfortable you are, the more likely the other person is going to be attracted to you. Be genuine, honest, and authentic. These are all qualities that will make someone fall in love with you. 6. Share your own interests and feelings with them, and be open and honest. When it comes to love, sharing your own interests and feelings is vital if you want to create a deep, meaningful connection with someone. Being open and honest about what you're thinking and feeling will help to create a strong bond between you and your partner. If you're able to be vulnerable with each other, it will allow you to build trust and intimacy. Ultimately, being genuine and sharing your true self is the best way to make anyone fall in love with you. 7. Express your love for them in words and actions, and let them know how special they are to you. When you love someone, you want to let them know how much they mean to you. You want to express your love for them in both words and actions, and let them know just how special they are to you. Here are a few ways you can do just that. 1. Tell them how much you love them, often. Verbalize your feelings for them as often as you can. Let them know how much you appreciate them, how much you care for them, and how much you love them. 2. Show them how much you love them, constantly. Demonstrate your love for them through your actions. Show them you care by doing things for them, being there for them, and supporting them. 3. Let them know how special they are to you. Make sure they know that they are the most important person in your life. Let them know that you will always cherish and love them, no matter what. By expressing your love for someone in both words and actions, you can let them know just how much they mean to you. You can show them that they are the most special person in your life, and that you will always cherish and love them. We all want to be loved, and sometimes we meet that special someone who just seems perfect for us. But what if you could make anyone fall in love with you? Imagine the possibilities. Thankfully, there are some tried and true methods for making someone fall in love with you, and with a little effort, you can make the object of your affection weak in the knees. So, if you're ready to take control of your love life, read on to find out how to make anyone fall in love with you.